Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the presentation and selecting the exact slide you will change. This is where you act. Once done, enable rulers and grid to align objects precisely, and avoid slide master unless you need global style edits. You should lock the aspect ratio for images and set text boxes to wrap. This prevents accidental shifts. Make sure to use the selection pane to isolate layers, and start by editing the main content placeholder, so downstream changes remain simple and predictable. You now refine layout and content by editing text directly with consistent fonts and sizes. This ensures hierarchy and readability. Then use align, distribute, and group commands to tidy multiple elements quickly. Once grouped, move items without breaking spacing. Replace images with proper resolution and add alt text for accessibility. Make sure to check contrast and line length. Adjust bullet spacing for scanning. If animations are used, preview them in sequence to confirm timing and flow before final review. You finish by previewing the slideshow and checking transitions to confirm pacing and continuity. This reveals timing issues you can fix immediately. Save a copy and export a PDF to validate embedded fonts and final appearance across devices. Make sure to run spell check and inspect notes for presenter cues. If the layout breaks, use undo first, then reset slide or reapply the correct layout. If needed, paste problematic elements into a fresh slide to isolate the failure and restore a clean design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.